Hey guys, welcome back to Fisherman Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here in the Florida Keys, specifically in Marathon, and today we are going to be touring the Turtle Hospital directly behind me. Check it out and see what they have going on here, where they rescue a bunch of turtles. Should be a lot of fun, should be really educational, so we're looking forward to it. So make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Alright guys, like Lewis said, we are here in the Keys. So, we're celebrating my birthday weekend. We all know we love an animal moment here on the show. So, we are going to check out the Sea Turtle Center and see what we can see. So, Lewis booked us a tour, and he'll tell you how much all that cost. But this is a part of our Middle Florida Keys series, right babe?
Yeah, come to the Florida Keys a couple times. A lot of people head straight down to Key West. But for this trip, we're staying in the middle of the Keys, checking out like Islamorada, Marathon, the surrounding keys there, you know, those are the two big cities. But basically all the touristy traps, side of the road attractions that you see on your way down to Key West, a lot of people just breeze by them, but you're always kind of curious as to what they are. Well, we're here to check them all out. And if you want to know what all those things are, then you're in the right place. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can follow along with all our adventures, because we are going around and checking out quite a few of them. We're checking out different things to do, places to eat, where to stay, all the information. So lots of information on this channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're
gonna go check out the Sea Turtle Center and the hospital and see what we can learn about those buddies, because here they rescue, rehab, and release.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. So it is recommended that you make a reservation online before you come, because the tours here can fill up. The tours are guided tours, and they leave every half hour, and they're about 90 minutes long, with the last tour being at 4 p.m. and the Turtle Hospital closes at 6 p.m. for the day. So we have booked the last tour of the day, 4 p.m. and we're here. Let's go see what they got inside.
All right guys, just walked in. We're gonna go this way.
So we've got some history on the Turtle Hospital. So it was founded in 1981 by Richard Morty. Basically he bought a hotel that was next door to where the hospital is currently, and they were running it as a motel, and then they started like exhibiting fish in the swimming pool, turned the swimming pool to a saltwater pool, exhibited fish there for the guests. Eventually a couple injured turtles showed up and they started caring for them. So that was back in 1981. In 1992 they purchased this property, which was a nightclub at the time, and turned it into the first ever turtle hospital.
Turtle disco!
Turtle disco, yeah. And so then they started treating turtles here and doing a lot of research on various turtle diseases and stuff. They also became the first ever state certified hospital for treating just sea turtles, the first state certified sea turtle hospital in the world. In 2005, when Hurricane Wilma came through, it basically flooded the hotel, flooded the hospital. The hotel was damaged beyond repair, and so basically with that, the for-profit side of the business went under, and basically what's left now is the Turtle Hospital, which is a complete non-profit enterprise. So every dollar that they collect here does go back into helping those turtles. They have some information about various turtles they've treated over the years. I just realized too that they're actually using like an engine hoist to pick this turtle up. It's so heavy.
Alright guys, just got called, so let's go. They even have their own Turtle Hospital ambulance.
If you find a distressed or turtle in danger, you can call them and they'll come get it 24 hours.
So we're going to get a little education here. Let you guys know what we find out. So that's pretty cool. We have to learn about some of the turtles that they have here. And fun fact, if you ever rescue a turtle or call Fish and Wildlife to rescue a turtle, you get to name your turtle, and that name sticks with it. So
pick a good one.
Pick a good one, because she said there's been some really bad ones, like shark bait.
Two of the devices that we learned about today were purchased in this program. The scope is going to be hanging on that back. Also take an intake photo
behind
to
those
help
doors
identify
is
our
the latest
patient,
arrival,
but also as a
named
reminder
Proof.
where they started in their journey.
It's Poof.
Many of those guys are going to be featured right here on this
Poof.
board, and a lot of these guys are not going to look
But
like
those
their
Proof
intake
like
photos
whiskey.
anymore.
Now we're gonna walk outside and see the turtles. All right, so here's the turtle tank, and there is a turtle in there that has recently arrived and is undergoing review. And in this tank here, it looks like we have a turtle that's the victim of a boat strike. Be careful when you're out there boating. Look out for turtles. Make sure you do your best to try not to hit them, or else they may end up here. So they only need 3 flippers
And one good eye.
and 1 good eye to be able to be released. Now they said that she was suspected of having a bubble butt, which is the disease that causes them to have buoyancy issues. But they said that's just the way she was born. She was born that way. So an interesting fact that we just learned is that sea turtles, what gender they are, or what sex they are, I don't know. Depends on what the temperature is outside. So if it's hot, they're more likely to be females. If it's cold, they're more likely to be guys. So hot chicks, cool dudes. So what have you learned so far?
They're all buddies.
Is that it?
Sometimes the females will beach themselves to get rid of the males. Yeah, get away from the males.
And we learned that males do not go on shore, only females
Correct,
do.
only females go on from
And they
those
fight.
spots.
Yeah, so they said that there was like 40,000 turtles on the beaches down in Mexico. There's so many that were fighting and scrapping all over for land. So humans, the wildlife conservations came and dug some of the eggs up and brought them over to Texas to give them more area to respawn, and they returned to the same place where they were born. So now they have 2 different places that they can go. Yeah.
So another thing I learned is that those tanks that we saw for those 2 turtles, they can withstand a Cat 5 hurricane.
Wow, that's a pretty strong hurricane.
Yeah, the big ones.
I guess after Wilma, they started building stuff pretty serious.
Yeah.
So now we see more turtles.
So this is Bob. Bob has been approved for release. Look at that, buddy. Hey, bro. So Janice got bit by a shark. That's why she's here. We're trying to rehabilitate her to see if she can be released. We don't know yet.
How big?
They usually travel to Miami to go meet Dr. Karpinski, a veterinary ophthalmologist who does her very best to remove all those tumors. She's helped restore the eyesight of many of our turtles. Please, honey.
Hi, bro.
Okay. And one of those guys.
Did you know we were going to feed 2 turtles today?
I did not, but that's part of the tour. I guess we get to feed them.
Very excited.
Let's go.
Bye, Bob.
This turtle is suffering from bubble butt for sure. So this turtle got hit by a boat. This is obviously a propeller strike. Looks like someone tried to fix it there with some JB Weld.
They said he's getting better, though.
Okay. It's not JB Weld. Clarify that.
No.
I was joking.
Rude.
This little guy here with his little nub. Looks like Crush from Finding Nemo.
So now we're going to see the hatchlings. These are the little buddies.
They referred to them as being about the size of cookies.
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. Turtle nuggets. Turtle McNugget. Don't eat turtles, it's illegal.
Yeah, tiniest of buddies.
Little tiny guys.
Aww.
Barely bigger than $50.
I know. They're all cute guys. So over there too.
Oh, look at their shells. They're so pretty.
So we got some turtle pellets. And we're going to toss them out there and go and feed the buddies.
Okay, you gonna do one at a time?
Yeah. I'm going to find somebody to throw them at first.
Don't throw them at them.
Yeah, in their general
In the
vicinity.
general direction. Looks like they're all kind of congregating over there. You can.
He was also attacked by a shark.
Oh my gosh.
And then when he got to our facility, we did some blood work, and oh no, we found out he had FP. Poor guy just been through the ringer. So as a result, he is missing his front left flipper. He's got a dent on his left side. He's missing a little bit out of his rear where that shark took a nibble.
This guy's a happy guy. He wants to eat all the
largest sea turtle.
all the little nuggets.
Coming in at just over 366 pounds. She's a big girl. Went by, and unfortunately, Miss Hansen will be returned to our facility after being struck by a boat. But because of that microphone.
So that was super neat. We got to feed the turtles. Kind of reminds me of sometimes like feeding the koi fish. You just kind of toss little kibbles in there.
All right, so fun facts. We can confirm they will use JB Weld to attach
The weights. Not to heal the scars.
But we'll use JB Weld or water epoxy to do that.
Yeah. So what did you say was the thing you learned?
Oh,
Needed AC.
Sure.
that they scrub the turtles every 2 weeks. So they get like a little scrubby bath.
Okay.
And then they check for the weights to make sure that they're attached properly.
Okay. They said if they do lose a weight, they have to dive down to the bottom of the pool and they'll get it. But they also have some spare ones on hand that they can just slap a new one on there. Basically just lead. I think that's about it for the tour. We're gonna head back over to the gift shop. We're a little early and see what they got in the gift shop. We already were in there, but I'm sure that Christine's gonna find a magnet and some other stuff to buy.
Yeah, t-shirt, hat, stickers. That's her right there. That's her right there. I'm pretty sure to sell them yawn
Oh, I
under the
didn't
water.
even see him over there.
Pretty sure to sell a yawn under the water. So, I did a animal sighting here.
Do you think it was a snake when you seen his tail?
Oh, it just scared me for like a second, okay? It just scared me for a second. He's big. Big boy. Thank you, thank you.
so much.
Alright guys, I got a t-shirt, magnet, and 2 stickers for $43.93.
All right. So
$41.93.
so this is a good deal. $20 t-shirts, about what I would expect, especially for one with a logo on the back. And then how much were the magnets?
Magnet was 10, and then the stickers were 4 and 5.
Okay, that's a big magnet.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Alright y'all, so that's our time here at the Turtle Hospital. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know what your favorite thing was, and here's those pro tips.
All right, guys, so here are your pro tips for visiting the Turtle Hospital. I would say number one is definitely make a reservation. You do not pay in advance, but you make a reservation in advance just to make sure that the tours are available and that they don't sell out. Pro tip number 2 is when you do go back to the Turtle Hospital, make sure that you keep your hands to yourself. Do not stick your hands inside of the turtle tanks, and don't put anything in there like, you know, that you're gonna lose, or that could harm or endanger the animals. They also try to keep the turtles kind of away from humans as much as possible, so that way they don't get used to humans as well. All right, and pro tip number 3 is they do only take debit card or credit card. It is cashless, so make sure that you bring your plastic. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really help us out. And with that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
Bye!
They do only take debit card or cash. No. All right, so it is recommended that you pre-purchase, or sorry, it is recommended that
No, no way.
okay. Yeah, so if you find a distressed or turtle, find a distressed or
Alright guys, just got called. Oops.
And-
This guy, I don't know what he's doing. Is he wanting us to move? I'm not sure. I'm
I don't know
sorry.
what he's doing either.
Yeah.
All right,
You didn't say it's part of our Middle Florida Keys thing?
yeah, we say that next.
Okay.